Peter, what's up?
Hi Frank. How's the final test drive going?
This is driving pleasure at its best. Feels great on the road, steers extremely precise, and accelerates like an M.
Sounds like you want to keep driving a little bit longer.
Actually, I want to keep driving around until the battery is empty, but I don't have that much time.
Yeah. And the charging experience is also state of the art. Just like the connectivity, digital in every fiber.
Yes, it really is.
So no surprise that the 5 Series is the most successful business sedan in the world. And we want to build on that.
And we definitely will. Can you imagine? The most successful business sedan is now fully electric. This is exactly the car we want. And with the i5 Touring, we will have a real industry first.
Absolutely the right move. Our customers can hardly wait. We are already seeing very high demand for both models.
And the new 5 Series will take off like a rocket.
True. And now, it's showtime for the sedan.
Hey, did you get the invitation too?
Yes.
Oh.
We have a meeting with the board members.
This has got to be a mistake, right? This can't be for us.
Yes, it can. This afternoon, we, or rather all of us, going to present our innovation project, Spark, to the board. We need approval to finally roll out our project.
But the meeting is in 5 hours.
Well, I say, let's do this. But we still need an essential companion for this mission. Someone who stands for confidence, competence, and a progressive mindset. We need the BMW i5.
My BMW i5?
Yes.
How is the car going to help us?
It's not just a car, it's the most successful business sedan in the world.
And that is going to make us successful.
Exactly. That's how marketing works, Billy. Because success is a journey that we don't have to travel alone.
And that is not an excuse for you to drive my BMW i5.
Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But either way, it helps our mission. Wow.
Billy?
What's up?
Aren't you supposed to be in South Korea?
Aren't we supposed to have a presentation ready in a few hours?
Good point.
Where are we going?
Our destination is a little place called Mental Clarity. Wow. Time to check out the bar.
Tom, we're supposed to be working?
No, the Interaction Bar.
Stop. I've got it. We need a live demo. It's child's play. Some simple coding. C++? Yeah, why not? I'll use an IDE too. Boom! Boom! Time to cook up something special.
Yes, but don't overcook it.
Of course, it will be elegantly simple.
But where's the sauce?
You mean the source code?
Stop, you were burning the patty.
Guys, are you even listening to me?
We were multitasking?
Okay, you guys go buy the equipment we need. I'll send you the data. I'll be in the office doing the rest of the programming. Got it?
Let's take a quick look at the soccer app, please.
Playtime's over. Let's get back to business.
Oh well, more driving fun for me.
No, I'll drive. You can shop.
I've sent you the list of everything we need, where to find it, and when to pick it up. Let the car do the hard work.
Why are you so excited?
2 words. Premium connectivity, super fast 5G, a huge array of features. Video streaming, gaming, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay.
Tom, I'm going to need you to stop talking like a catalog for a moment and tell me where to go first.
Even better, let the i5 call the shots. Would you like parking assistance?
Seriously, do I look like I need this?
This is not about needing, but about wanting. And I want parking assistance.
Okay, wow, that's super cool.
And there is more. You can park the car remotely with the My BMW app. Just stand next to it, relaxed.
How about you stand next to it relaxed and loaded with the shopping?
Have you checked out the My modes? If you're bored, you can watch YouTube. Oh, wait a minute. You're watching the DFL app, right?
What? I'm German. The Bundesliga is my thing.
Guys, what's the status?
Almost there. Only one store didn't have what we needed.
I'm just searching for an alternative.
Everything is available at the touch of the screen with the optimized BMW 8.5 operating system, including all your widgets, which means...
Tommy!
Search quickly. Billy needs those items. I'll do the summary. But, Christy, it would be great if you could do a launch presentation as the main engineer.
Me? The launch presentation? Sure.
Amazing! I'll send you the latest version.
Are you excited or nervous? Well, I'm just excited.
That sound is amazing. What is it?
That's sport mode. And that is expressive mode.
Inspiring. Let's tweak the presentation a little bit. Hit me with some cool adjectives.
Sporty, dynamic, absolutely amazing. The sportiest and at the same time most comfortable business sedan in the world.
Do you ever stop selling?
Wait until he finds out about the BMW i5 M60.
What? There is a BMW i5 M60?
Energy!
Good point. You think management will give us a full charge?
I need energy, sugar, now.
Perfect excuse to top up both. With the optimized route planning, we can get to a charging stop and some snacks for you.
Don't worry, we still have time.
Kay, how does the charging work anyway?
Easy. Plug and charge.
Sorry, did you want some too?
So if you get the rest of the components quickly, I can still put everything together, but it's going to be tight.
Do I have time to practice the presentation?
Practice in the car. Use in-car camera to record your performance and make sure you send it with your smartphone.
Check.
Just one more question. Our BMW i5 is asking me to make a service appointment. Seems like it's time. What's that?
BMW Proactive Care. You can confirm it, and off you go.
Dear board members, today we present to you Spark, a user-friendly, predictive, analytic kit for all connected, dynamic, electric. Let's check out the live demo.
Done.
A user-friendly, predictive, analytic kit. Billy, over to you.
Nailed it. Well done, team. I knew you would.
Oh, thank you.
God, I almost walked into the wall. I hope they didn't. That would be great.
Perfect. So, let's get started.